Hi everyone, so welcome to the Move Challenge with Arundathi. So today I brought out the mat. Up to you if you want to do it on a towel, keep it still casual, it's okay. So join me in a seated position. Close your eyes and place your hands in Chin Mudra on your kneecaps. Sit tall. Let's take 3 purposeful breaths through our nostrils. Big inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one, big inhale. Visualize all that nice energy coming in and all our anxieties leaving us through that exhale. Great job. I invite you to join me in saying these positive affirmations, either within you or out loud. I am strong. I am brave. I am calm. I am forgiving. I am healthy. I am happy. Great. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Great. Let's do the cat-cow today. So you're going to come on all fours. So first of all, make sure the distance between your kneecaps is the length of your forearm. Then spread your fingertips and we're ready. So inhale, drop your belly down, gaze up. Exhale, arch your back like a cat. This is really good to stimulate your central nervous system. Go with the breath. Big inhale. And nice exhale out. All through our nostrils. Big inhale. Push that tailbone high. That's your tailbone. Exhale, arch your back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, big inhale. And exhale. Really good for back pain, right? Let's take a purposeful breath in. Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. Great job. Let's move our hands a little apart. And now you're going to place your right foot in between your palms, right? And you're going to let go of your palms. Inhale, pull them up to the ceiling. Bend backwards. Exhale, cactus hands. This is really good to promote, open up our chest. Let's do it one more time and give happy hormones. Inhale, up, up, up. Bend backwards. And nice exhale. Good job. Let's swap our legs. So our left leg, sorry. Ready? Inhale, up, up, up. Pull yourself up, bend. Exhale, cactus hands. Good. Hope you're feeling the good energies coming in. Inhale. Bend. And exhale. Great. Let's take a breath here. Big inhale. And exhale. Good job. We're going to settle into the good old downward dog. Right? Bring your palms right under your shoulders. Tuck your toes. Push your tailbone high, feet apart, and we're in the downward dog. So make sure your ears are aligned with your upper arms, that your head is not sticking out. Stay here and enjoy that nice stretch, blood flow to your brain, stretch of your back. This is really good to let go of depressive thoughts. And if you're feeling lethargic, it gives you like a big boost. While you're here, breathe normally, calm your breath. Connect with yourself. If your mind is wandering off, bring it right back. Ready? Knees to the mat. Good job, everyone. Let's spread our knees a little apart. Spread your fingers in front and settle into a child's pose. Big breath in. And exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. One last big inhale. And exhale. Really good job, guys. Okay, so join me in a cross-legged position, palms in chin mudra, and let's soften our gaze and close our eyes. Let's take 3 more purposeful breaths in. Big inhale and exhale. Big inhale, exhale. Last big inhale and nice exhale. Great job. Let's connect back with our positive affirmations and tell yourself that you have everything you need to meet this day. You are strong, you are safe, you are powerful, you are brave. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Good job, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.